Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a 6 quill cap tightener, and we're not sure who the original manufacturer is. We're still researching that. As you can see, we have it set up on maximum width right now. It opens, the gripper belts open almost to 8-inch, and the tightening belt, or the tightening quills, are independently operated. You'll see each one has its own control right here, and you can move them in and out as you need to for the very rare circumstances where you might have an offset cap. The width you see right there is just about 6 inches plus. It will go a little further than that, but as that's in excess of 120 millimeter cap, you almost never do see that. It's 120 volt operating power, has DC control power on each one. This is for the grippers, and you can see them slow down right there. And you can speed them back up. And the same thing is true up here with this controller, DC controller. You can just adjust the speed accordingly of your tightening wheels, depending on your needs. Has an emergency stop, power supply, manual controls for moving up and down. It does have a power lift system, however, the motor has to be replaced, and with these type of units, you see it right there in the center, it's the easiest to replace the whole thing. A decent one is about a $1,000 replacement, or you can put a simple hand crank in if you realize that you don't have to move it all that often. It's all stainless steel and aluminum constructed, and you'll see it in our inventory under our capper section. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.